Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a Fagor washing machine. It's an integrated appliance FUS 6116IT. It's a washer dryer. I'm going to show you today how to clean the lint filter. Down on the bottom here is a little plug, and this may be hidden behind a fascia panel in your kitchen or in your utility room if you have the machine integrated. I have it out for service, and what I'm going to do is just open up this plug. There's nothing else to it really. I've got a bowl underneath here to catch any spills. If you're doing this indoors, you would probably want to put in a towel, because about a litre of water just pops out there. In here, this is the drawer that catches the fluff and whatnot. There's a little bit of stuff in there, some bits of plastic, bits of thread by the looks of things, and then some little snots of some kind of, I don't know, old soap or something like that. Looking in there isn't much to see, but it's pretty clean. And we know that on this one it was working. And if your machine wasn't pumping out and this was completely bunged up, that was probably your issue. Some of these I've seen, especially on washer dryers, these can be full of fluff. And then to put it back together again, just offer it up. It'll only go in one way because of that cutout in there. Offer it up and screw it up tight, and it'll only screw up so far as well because of this little black tab here. So there you go, that's what's in the bottom of it there. Some different beans and stuff like that. And that's how you clean the lint filter. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, leave them below. See you later.